Hello and welcome back to another quick tutorial with your instructional coach, Leslie Johnson. So today we're talking Outlook email. And as you can see, I've been invited to a chemistry meeting and I've been asked to RSVP. When I click yes, it's like the message disappears, right? Click yes, it's gone. How do I find this? So I have to go over here to the bottom of Outlook. If you're on a laptop, it has the email, that's where it's defaulted to. There's the calendar. Now, keyboard shortcut, you hold the control key with one finger and click with the other, and it opens in a new tab up here. So I am going to look at my calendar, and those dates that we just accepted are right here: high school physics, high school chem. So if you've been getting calendar invites and wondering, where did that message go? It went to your calendar. So it's nice to have the email open and the calendar. If I want to see the details, I just click on it. If it's too small, I can make it larger. I can not necessarily copy that link when it's there, but anything here you can copy and then paste. I think most people have been putting the links there, so that's a helpful way to do that. All right, hopefully you learned a little bit more about Outlook and the calendar. If you have any other questions or video suggestions, let me know. And thanks so much for watching.